to get you to talk and ask. Bingo. Right. The whole point is I don't know where you're at. I am a damn good trader. I'm not gonna lie about that. You guys know I'm a good trader. I'm not the best trader in this club. I don't have that kind of ego. I don't want to pretend to be. That'd be silly for me to do. Okay. I have trained and coached people to be the best traders in the club. But I'm comfortable where my trading is. I'm not, I'm not upset with my trading. I'm in a good zone for me. And I'm okay with that. So the point I'm trying to make here is for you guys that are still struggling, that are still sitting out there, that are doing this. We're looking at almost 100 people in the room right now, not just listening, probably 200 listening. And the same 10, 12 people respond. And guys, the problem with that is if you're not participating, and I'm gonna say this to the other room too, if you're not participating, I can't help you. Does that make sense, guys? That's all I'm asking is if you participate, I can help you. But if I'm sitting here just running my mouth, why do it? Like, there's no point. Now, again, you guys know it doesn't take much. 2 or 3 people responding, talking to me. I'm happy with that. But at the end of the day, I wish the other people would participate as well. Because I know you've got a question out there. I know you're doing something wrong. I know you're not winning on trades, but I can't help you if you're not telling me. Guys, so private chat me, talk to me, participate in the main chat. We're all going through the same thing together. These are all the same trades that we're trying to take together. Don't be embarrassed if you screw something up. Okay? Just don't be embarrassed. Let's fix it together as a group. Cool? Are we down with that, guys? Is everybody down with this? Like, can we get a little bit more participation here? The way we used to have it? Guys, last year I couldn't get you guys to shut up. There's 50 people responding to every single thing we said last year. And now this year you're like, "Oh, it's the same old thing, coach." All right, Sarah. All right, yes, please participate. You think they need to be participating too, Paul? Like the rant that I'm going on is that the reason people are failing is they're not participating in the rooms. And if you're not participating in the room or reaching out to a coach and you fail, there's nothing we can do to help you. And we want to help. I mean, guys, look, I got my $1,200 out of the day. Dude, I'm happy.
Can't
Okay.
suffer in silence. Cannot suffer in silence. Don't be that person.
But that I don't think you guys understand how much it frustrates me that I can make money and then you didn't do it. And it bothers me. I'm sorry. It just really bothers me that if I shouldn't be the only person here making money. It's what I'm trying to make is that bothers me. I didn't start this club to sit here and pound my chest and say I'm the best trader on the planet. What's the Mike Tyson? I'm the best fighter on the planet. Nobody messes with me. No, I didn't start this because of that. I wanted other people to be able to have the same financial freedom, have the same trading, have the same everything.
Yeah, I agree. You got to participate.
And
I mean, it's proven the people that participate are the ones that are being successful.
I started this club because I really, really, really do care about other people's
Are we leaving
success
the
too.
button on through the open? Are you leaving the button on through? I don't know. Are you leaving the button on through the open?
No, thank you. See, there you go. Thanks, Scott. No, I'm not. All right. So let's look at where we came from, where we went. How'd you guys do in the other room this morning, Paul? How'd you guys do in Tick Century room?
Um,
If y'all followed my short call, you
calls,
probably did pretty well.
calls, winners, and onto another account. So I got one.
Okay. All right.
See if we can get.
Let's listen to me though and adapt it to a call in that room because I'm going to make some calls this morning that will fit both. Like
What kind of tick spacing are you going to use on the?
20,
I'm sorry. Say again.
20.
20. Okay.
Yeah.
I had it at
As
12.
far as this expanded, yeah, 20.
Fair enough. Done.
And then when I call it, I'm going in the market just as if it were a normal setup that we would normally go into.
All right.
Long or short.
Keep
Whatever.
a listen out for it.
Okay. So here we go, guys. Thank you, Paul. All right, here we go. So we've broken yesterday's lows, obviously. We didn't get to push down pre-open to this area that we thought we might get to around 95 was what we were looking for. Didn't quite get there, did it? Low of 90. Yeah, it did. Okay. So um, this should be a pretty interesting open here now that we look at this. Again, you had that structure that I was talking about being broken on the 6 chart. Um, you are just bouncing around that last high with the push up into the structure. So this should act like some solid support right here around probably exactly what market's pushed off of. Yeah. Um, 99.78. Okay, yeah, 97 was low, so somewhere around there. Uh, the high of that was 96. So yeah, that's a solid area of support there. So that'd be the next area we look at to break below. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this on the 6. Uh, yeah, make them press a button. Let's do one that got us here today, because this should be a pretty big day. So let's change that to yellow. No, that's not. Let's do yellow then, because that's the level. Um, yeah. So if we see a break below this, odds are we get this gap filled too today. Um, we're going down the. It's a big run, baby. I'd be okay with it. Would you guys? I mean, you got that support level here that's really strong around the 54.18. So I'd be okay with it. 95 to. So that's what we're looking at. Um, Other than that, guys, what we'd expect on the open here is a push up, which are already pushing up some, and that was a sell signal. I just didn't want to do it that. Okay, obviously, yeah, break to the low. We're gonna 500 and 55.34. Not. What would be another option? I think you could sit on your hands. That could be your plan, right? Something before, then do it. That could be your sole plan for the day. Wait until it gets to 34, 55 and 34, which is where it sold from before, which is that break of structure I was talking about, Paul. Yeah, so that was exactly the break of the structure that we talked about this morning. So if again, guys, if you were sitting here listening this morning, we gotta be short this morning because that breaks the structure. Um, and then I said motor almost 5,500, 55.97, so I was a little bit off. Make is opportunity that comes with bigger bigger rally. Or, um, obviously sell it like 6 minutes, usually about 6 minutes in, you get a good decent little trade. Takes interest short. That's what it says to me. Yeah, below 94, sell it. I have it there, so I'm not gonna break my rules. We'll sit there and wait and make sure it breaks through it. Let's see. Might be getting a little bit of first touch coming up here in a second. That probably would work because the first touch off the open before the open worked. So this one probably